Our next topic is about translating English sentences to mathematical sentences. It means that from the English sentence of 2 plus 2 equals 4, we need to write it into a mathematical sentence. Now, how do we do that? For example, the English phrase is the cost of 2 kilos of tomatoes and the 5 kilos of tomatoes. It can be translated as 2x plus 5. What's different in the English sentence is the word is, or is, was, will be. This would all mean equal sign, or it means equals. Now, how do we do that one? Let's start with the first one. Ready? Now, do you have your pen with you? Now, let's start with the first one. Here. 7. 7 less than. Remember, if it's less than, it means the first number will be in the last. It means minus 7. If you say 7 less, it means 7 minus. But if you say 7 less than, it means minus 7. Okay? Now, let's start with the first one. Ready? 7 less than. So it means minus 7. A number. Do you know the number? If you don't know the number, you can choose any variable to be your number. So we say x minus 7 equals 10. 10. That's it. The next one. 3 times a number. Do you know the number? If you don't, we can write x. 3 times a number. That's multiplication. We write it as 3x. Is means equals negative 6. Negative 6. The next one, 8 is. What is again? It's an equal sign. The same, it's an equal sign as twice a number. Do you know the number? No, we just write x. So if we say twice a number, it means 2x. We'll wait for a while. What happened, Samuel? Samuel, warning. I can read what you're chatting, even if it's in Chinese. Now, let's go to the next one. Ready? 12 added. So it's 12 plus added to a number. Do you know the number? It's x. Yields. Yields is the same as is, was, will be, equals. So equals 5. The next one, 9 less. 9 less. So 9 minus a number. Do you know the number? You just write x. Amounts to is the same as equals. So amounts to 20. Do you have any other questions? No. Let's go back first. Ready? Let us go over these examples. Another example. Ready? Let's just think that the number is X. A number increased by. If you say increased, it means plus. So a number, we don't know, we just write it X, increased by 7 is, it's equals 25. Next, number 2. 11 diminished by a number. Diminished means decreased or minus. So we have 11 minus a number. We don't know it, right? So we just write X is 53 equals 53. Next, 5 times a number. If you say times, it means multiplication. We don't know the number, so we just write 5x is 45 equals 45. Next, the quotient. It means division. So the quotient of a number and 8. So we have x divided by 8 is 12. Is equals is 12. Next, number 5. The quotient, still under division. The quotient of 15 and a number. So 15 over x is 5 equals 5. Next, number 6. We say 1/3 of a number. A number is x again. So we have 1/3 of x is 30 equals 30. Next one, number 7. The product means it's the answer for multiplication. What will you multiply? A number and 15. So we have 15 times x. Or again, when you multiply a number and a variable, we can write them next to each other. 15x is 3 equals 3. Now, do not write, sometimes you write it this way. The product of a number times 15. Please do not use x to symbolize times. I might I'll be mistaken it to see as an x as a variable. So I prefer having the parentheses for your multiplication. The last one, the length of a rectangle. So the length of a rectangle is equals 7 feet longer. It means plus longer than its width. Now, let me stop there.